Welcome back, crypto fam. If you missed part 1, go watch it now, because we covered the 4 fundamental reasons why Dogecoin could hit $150 billion market cap. In this part 2, I'm revealing the 5 major catalysts that could trigger this explosive growth, the exact timeline, and the critical risks you must know. But first, if part 1 helped you understand Dogecoin's potential, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto analysis. So we established that Dogecoin has strong fundamentals, but predictions are one thing. What are the actual catalysts that could trigger this massive growth? I've identified 5 major catalysts that could happen within the next 12 to 18 months, and any one of these could send Dogecoin to the moon. Catalyst number 1 is the official launch of XMoney and Dogecoin integration. By now, XMoney is in closed beta testing with select users and businesses. While I can't name specific companies due to confidentiality agreements, I can tell you that some of the biggest names in fintech are seriously considering adding Dogecoin to their platforms alongside Bitcoin and Ethereum. In corporate treasuries, the price impact will be enormous because the available supply of Dogecoin is relatively limited compared to the potential demand. Dogecoin is being integrated into more decentralized finance protocols, allowing users to stake their Doge, lend it out for interest, provide liquidity to trading pools, and earn yield on their holdings. When people can earn 5%, 10%, or even 15% annual returns by staking their Dogecoin, they're much less likely to sell during market downturns. This reduces selling pressure and creates upward price momentum. While Bitcoin gets most of the attention as digital gold, Dogecoin is positioning itself as digital cash, a currency you actually use for everyday transactions. The official public launch is expected by late 2025 or early 2026. With inflation hitting multi-decade highs in many countries, traditional fiat currencies are losing purchasing power rapidly. When this happens, 500 million users will suddenly have access to Dogecoin payments for tips, content purchases, subscriptions, and peer-to-peer transfers. And there is a good chance they will Dogecoin. Hitting $150 billion market cap becomes not just possible, but probable. Think about the network effect here. When your friends start using Dogecoin on X, you'll want to use it too. Every investment has downsides, and Dogecoin has some significant ones that you absolutely must know about. When the price is swinging 20% or 30% per day, it's hard for merchants to price their products appropriately. It can pump 50% in a single day based on a single tweet or news announcement, but it can also crash 40% just as quickly. If you can't handle watching your investments swing wildly up and down, Dogecoin might not be for you. Dogecoin's price is still heavily influenced by Musk's public statements and social media activity. There are literally hundreds of other meme coins trying to capture Dogecoin's market share. Dogecoin needs to continue innovating and improving to maintain its competitive advantage. If major economies like the United States or European Union were to ban Dogecoin specifically, it would devastate the price and adoption prospects. Shiba, Inu, Pepe, Floki, and dozens of others are all competing for the same community and use cases. Cryptocurrency investments are extremely high risk. The entire crypto market could crash, Dogecoin could go to zero, or any number of unforeseen events could wipe out your investment completely. If technical problems arise, or if the network can't scale to handle massive transaction volumes, it could hurt adoption and price. An X-platform integration, technical improvements, and real utility, strong community power, and growing adoption. Plus 5 major catalysts that could trigger massive growth in the next 12 to 18 months. When content creators start accepting Dogecoin tips, their followers will need to buy Dogecoin. Yes. This kind of celebrity dependency is not ideal for a currency that wants to be taken seriously by institutions and governments. Do you think $150 billion market cap is realistic? Or am I being too optimistic? And what other cryptocurrencies would you like me to analyze next? I'm not telling you to buy Dogecoin. I'll see you in the next one. And remember, stay safe out there in the crypto world. And if you do decide to invest in any cryptocurrency, make sure it's part of a diversified portfolio, not your entire life savings. Cryptocurrency investments are extremely higher risk, and you could lose your entire investment. Always consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. The creator is not responsible for any financial losses resulting from the use of this information. I'm giving you information so you can make your own informed decisions. If losing your Dogecoin investment would hurt your ability to pay rent, buy food, or handle emergencies, then you're investing too much. While I mentioned that regulatory clarity could be positive, there's also a risk that governments could ban or severely restrict cryptocurrency use, especially coins that are seen as speculative or non-essential. When businesses start selling products for Dogecoin on X, customers will need to acquire Dogecoin. This creates a massive demand spiral that could push prices up very quickly. When regulatory uncertainty disappears, institutional adoption accelerates dramatically. Subscribe for more in-depth crypto research and analysis. And share this with your crypto friends who might be interested in Dogecoin's potential. When governments create clear rules for cryptocurrency use, it makes businesses and institutions more comfortable adopting crypto payments. Catalyst number 2 is institutional adoption beyond just Elon Musk's companies. We're already seeing early signs of this. Several hedge funds have started accumulating Dogecoin positions. Not as a meme investment, but as a legitimate payment technology play. Major payment processors are also exploring Dogecoin integration. When institutional money starts flowing into Dogecoin, we're talking about billions of dollars from pension funds, insurance companies. Catalyst number 3 is DeFi Integration and Yield Opportunities. This is huge because it gives Dogecoin holders a reason to buy and hold long-term, rather than just trading for quick profits. Catalyst number 4 is global economic factors that are driving people toward alternative currencies. Central banks around the world are printing money at unprecedented rates, which devalues savings and makes people look for alternatives. In countries with unstable currencies or high inflation, Dogecoin adoption is growing rapidly because it offers a stable, borderless alternative that doesn't require traditional banking infrastructure. Catalyst number 5 is regulatory clarity and government acceptance. This might surprise you, but regulatory clarity is actually good for Dogecoin, not bad. Several countries have already created comprehensive cryptocurrency frameworks that explicitly allow Dogecoin trading and payments. The United States is working on similar legislation. Now, if all these catalysts happen within the next 12 to 18 months, but hold up. Before you rush to buy Dogecoin, you need to understand the risks. Risk number 1 is extreme volatility. Dogecoin is still one of the most volatile major cryptocurrencies. This volatility isn't just stressful. It's also risky for businesses trying to use Dogecoin as a payment method. Risk number 2 is the Elon Musk dependency factor. While Musk's support has been great for Dogecoin, it also creates a single point of failure. If Musk were to change his stance on Dogecoin, sell his holdings, or simply stop talking about it, the price could crash very quickly. Risk number 3 is intense competition from other meme coins and payment cryptocurrencies. Additionally, other cryptocurrencies like Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and various stablecoins are also competing in the digital payment space. Risk number 4 is regulatory risk. Some countries have already banned cryptocurrency trading entirely. Risk number 5 is technical risk. While the Dogecoin network has been reliable, it's still a relatively simple blockchain compared to newer, more advanced cryptocurrencies. And here's the most important risk of all. You could lose everything. Never ever invest more than you can afford to lose completely.
Hi.
So there you have it. Dogecoin's potential to hit $150 billion market cap is based on solid fundamentals. Elon Musk's support. But remember, this is educational analysis, not financial advice. Always do your own research. Read multiple sources. Understand the risks. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. If this 2-part series helped you understand Dogecoin's potential and the factors that could drive it to $150 billion, smash that like button to help other people find this analysis. Let me know in the comments. What's your Dogecoin price prediction for 2025? Don't forget to check out my other crypto analysis videos where I break down Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other major cryptocurrencies with the same level of detail. This content is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not financial advice.